Did you know that cracking your knuckles could actually be good for you? Let's dive in. You've probably heard the myths. Some say it leads to arthritis. But here's the real scoop. When you crack your knuckles, you're releasing gas bubbles from the joints. This can create a satisfying sound and might even increase your range of motion. Join me in trying it out. Let's crack those knuckles together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, oh. That's the sound of relief. But remember, moderation is key. If it hurts, don't do it. So, are you a knuckle cracker or a non-cracker? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun facts.